the flood was past, the world made new. Noah's boys had work to do. Ham, Shem, Japheth spread far and wide, people in the hills and the countryside. These are the sons, the nations begun, scattered and spoken in 1,000 tongues. From Shem, Ham, and Japheth the story runs. The Lord filled the earth with their sons. Japheth had Gomer, Magog, Madai, Javan, and a seafaring crew. Tubal and Meshech, Tiras his kin, Ashkenaz, Riphah, to Gomer begin. Now Ham was the father of a powerful clan, Cush and Mizraim, Canaan, and Put the man. Cush begat a man mighty before God, building Babylon, the 100 Nimrod. These are the sons, the nations begun, scattered and spoken in 1,000 tongues. From Shem, Ham, and Japheth the story runs. The Lord filled the earth with their sons. Mizraim's children spread through the land, from Ludum and Bethusim to the Philistine band. Canaan begat Sidon and Heth by name, the Jebusite, Amorite, Girgasite came. Then Shem took his place, father of Eber's line. Elam, Lud, Ashur, Arphaxad in time. Aram had Uz, Hol, Gether, and Mash to show, and from Peleg's day the earth was split below. Joktan's sons marched east like the rising sun, Almodad and Shilef, and the list goes